I have already posted sa ating G-Class yung lecture notes for um, water, water environment, water pollution, and water quality management, as well as the follow-up activities and yung plans natin for next week. Okay, so what I will just be doing for this 1 hour, so I will just be updating, or we will just be discussing the updates on how we are going to plan the next 2 weeks leading to your prelims. Okay, so after nitong discussion na to, then I will let you go to finish whatever is asked of you as homework activity. Okay, so first and foremost, yung lectures 1 and 2 nyo is given uh, yung material. So you will just have to study it on your own, self-paced. Kasi we didn't have enough time to do an online discussion of this one. So I just want to clarify if given the materials, the lecture materials, the activities, and yeah, both of this, is it enough now for your learning? I mean, do you uh, do, do you need other things to have a better understanding of the first two topics? My intention for giving you the follow-up activity, hindi lang yan basta additional burden for you to answer. My goal for sending out the follow-up activity is for you to have guide questions on how you are going to study the lesson. Okay, kasi nga wala tayong online discussion, uh, I thought it would be a good way to compensate for an actual discussion. So given the guide questions, at least you can follow, you can have a step-by-step process on how you would be studying, kung ano yung mga concepts na kailangan malinaw sa inyo and maintindihan nyo regarding the topics. Okay, so if wala naman kayong issues with lectures 1 and 2 being asynchronously given, then I can proceed to the other concern. Okay, so your prelims would be on week 6. The coverage would be lectures 1, 2, and 3. So, ang lecture 3 natin would be about um, air environment, air pollution, and air quality management systems. Okay, so we only have next week to settle it, and I thought that uh, what we can do as a change would be for you to do the class presentation of the lecture. So I have given out na yung inyong assignments and the groupings. So hopefully we can execute it by Tuesday for the online presentation. So 2 hours would be enough, I think, for the presentation. Okay. So what else? Yung sa prelim sked nyo, I still need to finalize the date, the time, and the room. Kasi wala tayong uh, room assignments for your prelims. So i-update ko na lang kayo as soon as I have settled these concerns. Okay, so everyone has already seen the posting for your lecture 3 groupings and group assignments. Okay, so collaborate with your team members kung paano i-execute ang presentation. I think I have given enough guide questions na, and what are the expected subtopics na kailangan makita natin for the presentation. Okay? So, I request each of the group to create a very not necessarily a very technical report, but a very inclusive report kung ano man yung ating mga hinihingi na subtopics na kailangan as much as possible. Please do a very good explanation on that para everyone can benefit from your presentation. We are going to have it only for 2 hours, so as much as you can, please try to be concise with your report. Finish it in 15 minutes. Okay? What else? So I think yun lang na muna ang concern ko for today. How about for your class? Do you have any issues na you need to raise with regards to what we have discussed or what we have talked about so far? Yes, Madam. Miss Samantha.
Good morning po, ma'am. I hope I am audible po.
Yes.
So, I would just like to ask some questions lang po with regards to the groupings po.
Okay.
So, with regards po sa topic, so it will be up to the group po on the materials and information po na i-gather po namin from the internet. Ano po?
So, I have given you naman the copy of the syllabus. So, your syllabus would be your guide kung ano yung mga reference material na pwede niyong pagkuhanan pertaining to the topic. Okay, so make use of the reference books na naka-state doon sa ating syllabus para we are going to be, aligned with each other. Okay, so doon na lang kayo kumuha ng inyong information.
Sige po, ma'am. And another question lang po, because in our schedule po, our Tuesday schedule po is asynchronous. So, we will be utilizing that async schedule po for our online meeting.
Yes, oo. So, ang clarify ko lang yung ating schedule kasi it was, it was described as asynchronous kasi flexible. It's supposedly meant to be flexible kasi pag magkakaroon tayo ng amphitheater schedule, isahang lecture na kasi yon. And then, if let's say, na-push ko ang ating amphitheater schedule. So, yung schedule nyo for that week, yung mga asynchronous nyo, then, kumbaga, maka-cross out na yun. Hindi na natin siya gagamitin because na-dedicate na natin siya doon sa amphitheater schedule. Kaya siya naka-asynchronous. Pero by right, if we are not doing the amphitheater face-to-face schedule, then yung asynchronous schedule na yon is supposed to be online. Okay, so for how to say, do you get me on what I'm trying to explain?
Yes po, ma'am. But I'm not sure lang po because dun po sa portal po namin, wala po kaming naka-designate na schedule for amphitheater. Though before po, meron po, pero nagkaroon po ng changes.
Hindi kayo kasali?
Opo. Before kasi, po, yung amphitheater schedule po namin is 8 to 10 and we supposedly have a schedule din po ng online ng 5 to 6 po before. But then, nagkaroon po ng changes, naging 3 to 5 po na asynchronous and then ito pong 10 to 11 po na online meeting po. Right.
Okay. So, let me just clarify. Yung 8 to 10 na supposedly, kasi on my schedule, we have an amphitheater slot on even weeks. So, including CHE 2204 from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Is that the same as your schedule? Do you have that sa inyong portal?
Wait lang po, ma'am. We'll check the portal po.
Kasi as far as I know, itong schedule na to, medyo confusing din nga. This is my first time as well to do an amphi setup. Okay, so pag wala tayong amphi, then yung schedule ko sa inyo would be Tuesdays 3 to 5. However, if you join the amphitheater on even weeks, then yung 3 to 5 na schedule nyo, wala na yon. It would be covered by the 8 to 10 amphitheater schedule. Pero does that schedule have a conflict with you? I mean, your class can attend the 8 to 10 amphitheater on even weeks.
As far as I know po, we can attend naman po with an 8 to 10 meeting po na amphitheater. May ongoing maintenance lang po yung portal as of now, so hindi ko po ma-access if nagkaroon po ulit ng changes with the schedule po.
Alright. Okay, so sige, update niyo na lang din ako. Pero yon. So yung ating mga naka-designate na asynchronous class is not necessarily automatically na asynchronous palagi. I might be requesting, of course, it would have to be a class consensus. Kailangan available ang lahat to shift it to online, to real-time online if needed, which most likely would be the scenario. Kasi pag palagi itong asynchronous, then hindi na tayo makakapag-meet online. Magpapadala na lang ako lagi sa inyo ng lecture notes. Ganun ang mangyayari. So we have to make this arrangement work for both of us. So sige, anyways, clarify ko na rin on my end and do update me kung meron conflict sa part nyo. So pagdating sa inyong prelims, yun din kasi ang aking concern pa. Kasi as I was advised, normally daw, it's done in the amphitheater, the sabay-sabay. And I don't think it's I still have some questions or doubts about doon sa ganong scenario. So hindi ko pa siya na-finalize. That's why give me until next week para maayos yung schedule natin for prelims, because I think we all need a good, kumbaga, a good condition and an area para makapagsagot tayo ng maayos sa ating preliminary exams. Ayan, so do you have any other concerns aside from that? Thank you, Samantha, for opening that issue. Okay, so I think that would be it. If wala naman ng concern, I would give the rest of the time for you to do your follow-up activities. So, kumbaga, tsagain nyo na lang muna yung pagsasagot sa mga questions. I know it's a quite a few number of questions na binibigay ko per lecture. But then again, may goal naman tayo why I'm asking you to do that. So it's for your own learning din, kasi nga hindi tayo nakapag-online discussion. So at least on your own, you have this guide and you will be, in a way, forced to read and to review. Okay? So ganun na lang muna ang gagawin natin. And the rest of the time today, so yun, tapusin nyo na lang, kasi usually I have set all the deadlines for Sunday night. And then you still have this lecture day to accomplish. So dami-dami kayo na. So yun na lang muna. If there's no other concern, I will be ending the class and I will let you do the things na kailangan nyo gawin for today. Alright? So thank you for joining in. I hope you have filled up the online attendance. It will be available until 10:45 today for you to fill in. And after that, close na yun. Okay, so have a good day, everyone.
Thank you so much po, ma'am.